Hi, my name is Tim. Thanks for your interest in my tutorial series, and welcome to the world as I see it. I live here on the coast of Tuscany with my wife Lily, who's a jewelry designer. We're originally from the States, but we moved to Italy in 2001. I've been working with glass since 2002. The way I work with glass is born out of kind of an extraordinary event. Back in 2005, when we lived in Florence, I received a huge order from Chanel of France to make thousands of glass beads. Most of them were hollow core beads, which require special techniques using gravity and very specific parts of the flame during the melt process. That order was months of me at the torch trying to perfect that process. And after the fact, I began applying those same techniques to all the beads that I made. It really gave me a consistency and control that I hadn't previously had. That order literally changed the course of my career. Of course, the way that I work with glass certainly isn't the only way to work with glass. I think that we all have our own paths, and we all learn in our own ways. But even though it's not the only way, I've found that it's a good way to work with glass. A consistent way to work in harmony with the process, a step-by-step series of movements that result in naturally balanced and centered beads with nice dimpled ends. Hey, who could ask for more? So take a look and let me know what you think. The first video is a detailed examination of my process. The second video is a more concise recap. And from there we branch out in all directions, come what may. Have fun. I look forward to your comments.